Hello, my people. I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. Also, now they fine. Una do well, so now tell you they share, comment, like. God go bless. So I really appreciate una. Where without una, who be me na. My people, nothing where Musa no go see forget. Nothing where person don't go hear. I said they watch this video. I said no, make I bring her come on and still listening to wetin dey happen for here. This woman wanna just dey see so. Now married woman with 2 children. This woman get different type of key. Wait till they enter people house. Different type of key. Wait till they enter people house. Go the thief for inside there. Any house where be say she feel like say she go fit enter, say nobody dey, she go enter there, open their house, pick everything where be say she need, carry go sell. Now today now, God can say her whole cup don full. As e dey full, now come dey throw away, now they come catch am. Say, madam, where you dey? Where this woman dey Ifa? She go comot for where the area where she dey, where they for know her, she go another place where be say they no know her. And this one where she dey do so, her husband they walk. Oh, no be say husband not they walk according to her, because they ask and say, where your husband say go walk. He say now after where your husband go walk, she go still go her own walk. My people, he go enter, now he go there, thief many things for people apartments, different type of key. For me, this one is my opinion. I believe say maybe her husband know. Maybe her husband go know what they go on. Because before a woman go get that type of brain, say okay, different type of key, make I do one. I believe say her husband no know. Your husband no go door catch and say, this key what they find for house. Many key like that too. But no, say sometimes husband and wife they do this kind of thing. You go say, okay, me go work. You go. Make sure say you find house where be say they still get something. You not be house where be say they not get anything. All these important people where apartment where be say they not their house. Poor people then they go work. Many things where she thief for them. Jewelries, many things. Can you imagine, my people? You just come on say, okay, you they go work. Lock your door. For your mind, you don't lock and you don't carry key, come out. You lock and you come out. Another person go just enter. Carry key. They open and the door go just open. Baka. Let make me the thing talk and say, your husband go understand what they go on. Because woman not go fit just get that sense like that. Say, key where go they open people apartment. Or maybe now the husband, the work where they say husband they go. Now those one where be say go they look at whether this person, the time when they tell they come out, the time when they not tell they come out, you know, still be. Because you know, just carry, you say you want to go enter the house. You don't know whether person they inside or nobody they. So before me, now both of them, they do. Now my opinion, me they talk. Because if the man not come, if the man come out, you go say, this apartment, I don't read down, nobody there. So time you feel enter. You understand? Or the person where they just come out now. So maybe you, hey now, wow. Why woman go there? Some people they go they sell pure water. Why this woman go just think say, okay, what if she want go do? Now just to go they enter people apartments, go they thief their jewelries, many things where they keep for there, even go rich money. I don't understand. Those people they work for their money. They work to buy those jewelry where be say your eye just open put. Why? See now, what you want to teach your children? Me, I don't know. If your children can't see and now say, see what it their mother they do. It they very bad. Find something maybe they do. No, they not go do. Not be people they sell pure water. Not be people they say what you call even go rich bakery and biscuit, all these things. Now because of say they no one made them go thief. People house. May we listen.
What is your name? Talk it loud for me. What? I know you. Your name is Bumi Malik. You are from which state?
What did I tell you in that line? What did I tell you?
You are from Akoko in Ondo State. Are you married? Are you married? How many children? Two children. Where are you living? Where in Ojori?
Inside
Is it Yanologbo Gogo Yale or which place for Yanologbo? Where will you reach Talkland?
From Ojori, we take 5 to
The first Wapo. Okay, that's where you are staying. How many children do you have? Are you living with your husband? Where is your husband? He has gone. He has gone to work. Okay. So this morning now, what did you go to Redeem? Is it Redeem? Where is the street? That place you went to now, which area is that? In Alagbado? Redeem Street. Have you been going there before? Do you know anybody there? Then how did you enter the compound?
My people, now make me dey talk am now say, if you don't know area, you know if you just say you want go there, just choose that area. Now make me dey talk am just now say, maybe this woman with your husband, then they do connection, una understand? Because where you don't know area, you don't know anybody for there, how you just get up, you say, okay, now this area, now they go this time. Me, I carry the key where be say you want to open their door. Not be somebody go give you information to go there. When they listening to her.
Okay, so I now made the gate open. I made the gate open, I now open the gate. Me enter, so I now enter the gate. So I now go up. So when I go, I want to use one of these gates to open the door. So when I stand on the gate mat, I now see that something is shooting me at my legs. I now open the gate and I now see it. Then I now use it to open it. Open the door.
You need to open the door. So all the way from Yanologbo, you go street to find the house that is open. Okay. Then when you open the door, what did you steal here? See all this item you stole? Rice. All these jewelries and slippers. You stole it. What do you want to use them for?
I want to take them.
What do you want to use them for?
I'm taking it home.
You are taking them home. And does it belong to you? Okay, now the keys with you. Raise the keys. Open your hand. How do you come about the keys?
I used to do laborer. So I used to do laborer.
Show me the keys.
See, when I see key where they for your hands. Tuna, yeah, you want to take it home. Is it for you? The answer is no. Is it belong to you? The answer is no. So there is something, because if you don't know somewhere, you understand, you know if you just go there, say, okay, this house, may you just enter inside, me I go there. Meaning somebody now they give her information. Now, wow, all these people. Go and say something, they no go. So mother, they go carry their children, they no want make they go thief, make they come they show them for any corner. They will back their Pikin for back. They go they sell pure water. Now then they go come still see person will go still bless them money. Like this one now, no, it no one go. Now, me I carry many key. Then they open people door, go they pack their thing. Wait till you see now you go get. And your pity for your children, that's all. My people, thank you for coming. God bless you. Now let me share this video. Leave your comment also. Bye bye.